Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So Madam Glam sent me over 3 products to try. The first 2 are 3D embossing gels. They sent me the color in white and black, and it says on the label to cure for 2 minutes in an LED lamp and 4 minutes in a UV lamp. However, when I looked on the website, it said cure for 1 minute. And then we have some rose gold gel paint. I thought this color was absolutely gorgeous, like pretty. And so I also saw, I already opened the rose gold gel paint, or yeah, rose gold gel paint. I've already opened that. Now I do have their rose gold chrome gel paint that's in a pot. Look how pretty that is. Like, look how pretty that doggone color is. And I'm just showing you the rose chrome gel paint that I have, and just to see the difference in the two. Now you could use them together to create a mani, but I did not. So of course, y'all know I can't draw with the 3D embossing gels. You can draw with these and cure. They do, they are no wipe. So but of course I can't draw. I attempted, but I cannot draw. And so I will be doing my nails on my left hand, and so I'm going in. I do have on 1 coat of peel off base coat and allow that to dry. I have on some sunscreen and my UV LED glove, and look at my skin, it looks like doggone leather. And so thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these products. And so I am applying 1 coat of Madam Glam's gel base coat to all nails, and then I will cure in my LED lamp. And as a reminder, Madam Glam gel polishes are 21 free. They have a 21 free formula. They're palm oil free, they're vegan, they're cruelty free, and palm oil free, and most importantly, they are HEMA free. So those who have gel allergies due to HEMA, these products would be your friend. I do have a discount code that will be in the description box below, along with the bit.ly link, and that discount code can be used for non-VIP members. That will save you 35% off of your purchase. And so I'm going in with this color. I can't remember what the color is, but I think that was part of their More Tints collection. Of course, I'll have the actual name of the color in the description box below. And so I'm applying a thin layer of color to all nails, and then I will cure, and then I'm going to go in and use that rose gold gel paint as well. So on my thumbnail, I wanted to do a little swoop-de-swoop action here, just something easy because I can't draw, let's be clear. And so I'm just going in with that gel paint brush that I do like. So whenever you're using gel paints, of course they do require a gel brush to apply. And I'm applying that in a thin layer, and that color is pretty. And believe it or not, usually with peel off base coat, my nails only last for a day, but these, I did this on Super Bowl Sunday, and they lasted, I think I popped them off on Thursday because I got tired of looking at them, and so I just peeled them off on Thursday due to the peel off base coat. And so I'm going in and applying a second layer of gel polish to all nails, and then I will cure as well. And then we're going to be back because I do speed the video up for all of the hiccups that I had with the 3D embossing gel, and it's simply because I can't draw. Now, due to the viscosity of the 3D embossing gel, I thought I could apply that to a stamping plate and scrape and pick it up with a nail stamper. That did not work. It scraped, it applied well, it was real thick, but when I went to pick it up with the stamper, it did not work. Now, the site does not say you can use it for nail stamping, but I figure you could, because some companies do offer gel polishes that you can use with nail stamping. That didn't work, and so now I had some silicone molds, and so I was like, okay, little hearts in there, and so I used this little spatula, and I was like, I'll just paint that in there. Now that worked, and I cured, by the way. I did cure in the LED lamp. And so once I applied it, it kind of broke up. It was really thin once I cured and took it out of the mold. Like, I could have just cut around the hearts because I didn't clean it up or nothing like that. Shame on me. And so my plan was to like put the little black hearts all over the my ring finger and then apply some chrome powder, but that didn't work either. And I was like, the things that I attempt to do that I know I can't do, but it is what it is. And so that was my second attempt with using those, and that got everywhere. But it like I said, it cured really thin. And so here I forgot to record, and y'all, I spilled that chrome rose gold chrome powder that I have. I got this in a big old pack off Amazon like years ago. And so I used a liner brush, and I did the vertical line, and then I cured, and then I did the horizontal line and cured, but the chrome powder would not stick on the line. It stuck on the one going across, but it wouldn't stick to the one that's straight up and down. And so I was like, okay, so I went in with some no wipe top coat, applied that, and then cured. I guess I should have did the vertical line, applied the chrome powder, and then did the horizontal line and then applied the chrome powder. Now what I was going to do here, I don't know. I think I was going to apply like a little flower or a bow or whatever, but after that second attempt, it just did not look good to me. My line got wonky. It was not as crisp and straight as I wanted it. And what I used to brush that off, it was just a little chrome brush that I got from Coco and Claire to remove excess chrome from the nail, and then I'm going in with like a Q-tip and some alcohol just to clean that off the nail, because it did stick. And I forgot, I did apply matte top coat to the nail before I went in with the 3D embossing gel and cured that matte top coat, because chrome powder typically will not stick to matte top coat. And I did wipe that nail off with alcohol before I went in as well to draw the lines and apply the chrome powder. So when that didn't work, I didn't like it. I had these, everybody's coming out with these sheets that you can draw on them. You can draw the image on a laminated paper, and you cure it and you can peel it off. And so I have these from 77 Nail Decals, y'all. This is sped up. And so I'm tracing the heart. Now what I forgot to do was apply base coat, because again, this 3D embossing gel, you can use it for chrome powders. And so I'm drawing that hard. I then cure. I apply the chrome powder, but when I went to lift it off of the paper, it broke apart. And I was like, you know what, 2 tears in a bucket, I ain't got time for this. And so yeah, the chrome powder is beautiful, pretty chrome powder. I thought it went well. So ultimately what I ended up doing after this failed, I applied the 3D embossing gel with a nail brush to half of the nail, cured, applied the chrome powder. And then I had like this chain, I think I got that off like Shein or Temu, and I applied that and cured. And so here I'm just applying some cuticle oil, because by this time I was over it. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is still free, $9.99. And so thank you to 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉 for sending me these products. I will see you guys next time.